Safari of 4, Sharon Safari of 4. Rose Safari of 5, Rose Safari of 5. Glenda Safari of 6, of 9, Glenda Safari of 9. Please make your way to the aquarium. Your adventure is about to away.
I'll double check that and see what's going on front. They sprayed me on 51. They were
this one.
Hold on, back into my hand. Look at here. This time, let's make them all different again. On three, help me count. 1, 2, 3. Now, pull out the first one. Pull out that first one right there. I think this is the long one. Go ahead. That's the medium. And last but not least, the long one, once again, restored to 3 different lakes. Let's give them a big hand right here at the Rainforest Entertainment Complex. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now we got more fun, more excitement coming up. Let me bring down my magic hat. And going up top, sir. How about this girl right here? Come on down. Right there. Let's find out. What's your name? Ainsley? How old are you, Ainsley? 8. We're going to have Ainsley. I want you to take one ball in your hand. You know what? She's quiet out there. If you can see. Right here. We know her. We love her. We can't live without her. Let's make some noise for Ainsley. Everything completely in full sight. I'm going to reach in and we'll bring out I'll tell you what, I'll do that in a minute. Show your balls out there, everybody. Now, let's examine these. Let's kind of examine them. Make sure they do not separate, they do not part. Just regular sponge balls. In fact, you got a lot of boys and girls out there. Run out there real quick and let them check them out. Let them check them out. I'm going to bring out a scarf. Put this down.